All right, we got us a diagram of space here. Scientifically to scale. We got the sun. It's 93 million miles away here. See, I got a witness too, so I got a witness to it. So we got 93 million miles away. And we're on a little space ball with a little bitty moon. All right, we're 93 million miles away. We got clouds up to 30,000 foot above this little bitty space ball, 93 million miles away. All right, let's say the sun is, somewhere up in this area. We got all these clouds, and this is Earth as viewed. When we look out, we see this. We never see that. We see this. But this is what we're looking at. Now, that sun is 93 million miles away from that. That means that sun would be 93 million miles that way. All right, with all these clouds in the sky, how come the crepuscular rays only come out one? And I was sitting here thinking, the sun has rays in a 360 degree pattern. Well, 360 this way. It's a ball. It's a ball. I mean, it's 360 degree sphere of rays, every direction. There'll be some coming at us, some pointing down at an angle, So, we get sun rays coming 93 million miles away, hitting a little bitty ball in a cloud full of skies from an Earth viewed like this. But only one cloud has crepuscular rays, which you can, anyway. You can measure the bottom, get the angles, find the height. Anyway, sun's coming 93 million miles away, hitting a little space ball, dodging every single cloud, hitting that one cloud, making crepuscular rays on the Earth as viewed. I figured it out. They claim the sun is the Death Star. Remember when it blew up I don't say Druidia, but, we'll get to that in a minute. Earth is a space, sun is a space ball. It concentrates all its rays into one little beam, bypasses all these clouds, hits that cloud, then spreads back out. But see, here's what it really is. Space, there's Lone Star and Moog, and they're flying to Winnebago. Now, the firmament of Druidia, the code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, it had to have a solid firmament and a moment around that planet to keep the pressurized atmosphere in. So the only way Spaceball 1 could get that atmosphere is to get the code to the firmament, because you can't have a vacuum next to a pressurized system. So they had to turn into Mega Maid, get the code, suck the fresh air out. That's how space works. Because the globe shields will tell you the sun, instead of 360 circle, because that'd be in all degrees, that'd be facing, that'd be this way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, plus diagonals, off diagonals. So the sun concentrates these top rays down to here. This ray comes to here, this ray comes to here, this ray turns 180 degrees, comes to here, goes to there, dodges all these clouds, hits that one cloud and does that. So that's how space works. Sunlight. Well, thanks for the explanation, Globe Shields.